All right, next up we have molar mass. To do molar mass, what you have to do is you have to look at what you are doing. We're gonna skip A and B. We're gonna skip to this guy. This guy's a little bit more complicated. So first up, we're gonna write down the elements we have: magnesium, oxygen, hydrogen. Alrighty. And we're going to find out what are their masses on the periodic table. So on the periodic table, they tell you the mass for 1 mole of that many atom. So magnesium is right here. So 24.305. So we're going to write 24.305. Okay. Now we're going to look at the oxygen. The oxygen on the periodic table, we're going to look, 15.999. So we're going to write 15.999. Then we got hydrogen, right? 1.008. 1.008. So I'm not going to stop here, because we still have to multiply these guys by 2. So we're going to look. There's only one magnesium because there's no number here. So there's one of them. That makes 24.305. And then oxygen, there's one inside the parenthesis, but a whole parenthesis we have 2 of. So it's 1 times 2, make 2, equal. And that'd be 31.998. And this guy, he's going to be, again, times 2, because there's 1 in there, and then 2 of them. All right, and that becomes 2.016. And then, once you have all these totals, I'm going to add them. All right. So we end up with 24.305 plus 31.998 plus 2.016. 58.319. I'm just going to write down here. 58.319 grams per mole MgOH, magnesium hydroxide. This would be the answer. Alrighty. And then if we tried the ammonia, let's do that. That's kind of bright. All right, so we're going to try the ammonia now. So we know nitrogen, and we got to get hydrogen. We just said hydrogen on the periodic table is 1.008 times 3. All right, equals 3.024. 3.024. And the nitrogen, it's worth 14.007. It's 007, just like James Bond. All right, and we only got one of these guys. Oh, my paper's going everywhere. All right, equals 14.007. Add them together. 1. And that's 3, 0.3 plus 4, 7, 17. Okay, and that's grams per mole NH3. That's a really bad NH. H3. Sorry about my messy handwriting. And there we go. That's really nasty looking. Let me rewrite that. So we end up with 17.031 grams per mole There we go. Much better.